Hey guys, my name is Brianna and welcome back to my channel. This hair is from WOGO Beauty on Amazon. This is their curly faux locks. And it looks like this. The color is OT27. So it starts black and then goes to this brownish, blondish color. The length is 20 inches and it comes with 6 packs. And each pack is 24 locks. The hair also comes with a crochet hook and some hair jewelry. This is how the hair looks when it's transitioning to the next color. So kind of blends in. And the hair feels soft. It feels like the locks are tight and won't unravel. And they look pretty uniformed. Bouncy, lightweight. And this is what the ends look like. So not bad. The hair is also about $43. I'm going to be crocheting the hair onto individual braids and I have already braided my hair. I'm a little more than halfway done and I want to show you what it's looking like so far. So the hair looks alright so far. It kind of reminds me of noodles, like those noodles you put on the stove or in the microwave. But anyway, I'm going to show you an example of how I do the style. So I take the braid I'm working on, I grab my crochet hook, and then I insert the hook below the start of the braid and I clip it onto the already pre-looped lock and I pull it through like this. And then I open up the loop with 1 or 2 fingers and begin pulling the braid in the lock through like so. I'm careful when I'm pulling it through so that I don't make the lock frizzy or unravel it somehow. And then I just tighten the lock. So there's a little loop and knot right there now. So one thing about these locks is that if you're crocheting the hair this way, when you're putting the braid inside of the lock, just be careful because I had one where it just didn't go that well and I made the lock really frizzy like this. So just be careful, don't frizz the hair up too much or tangle it up like I did, I guess. So I insert the hook in the center of the lock, a little far down, a couple inches, and I'm just making my way through the center like so. I'm going to push my way all the way through to the top of the lock and push the hook out. Now I'm going to attach the braid towards the end or the center and pull it through. And so I pull it through, I scrunch it up like that, and then I twist it to tighten it. So twisting it to tighten it. I do that so it like hugs the braid, and you can't see the braid right now, which means it's nicely hidden in the lock. I'm just going to do that step again. Through. Oops, I had a little snag. So I'm just going to take my fingers in and pull the braid through myself. But it's okay. I'm still going to bring the lock down, twist it around, and it should, the whole braid should be in the lock. And it is. And there we go. Okay guys, I finished the hair. This is what it's looking like. It's actually pretty cute. The hair is definitely full. It can get a little frizzy and have some flyaways that you might want to trim as you go. And the ends also, I trimmed them a little because some pieces were way longer than others. I didn't trim them perfectly, but it looks better than it did at first. And I used 3 packs of hair, so I have 3 packs of hair left, which is enough to do the style again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me, and thanks for watching.